How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin back with another video here. You guys seen us get the camper tore apart. Now what I'm doing is just going in there and getting a little bit at a time and burning it. It looks like a mess, but like I say, everything looks worse before it's going to look better. So we had to make a mess to get the mess cleaned up. But it's going to take me a little while, but I'm just trying to burn little piles at a time. Actually, I had a fire going this morning. We had some dew on the ground, which was good, but I had a big pile of this wood piled up right there, and I had to put that piece of aluminum back there. Hopefully that wouldn't blow down into the woods. And this is one thing I'm not really crazy about. I don't like burning stuff, but I gotta burn it to get rid of it. We already took everything that we possibly could to the cleanup day and got rid of that, so now it's basically wood in there, and we're trying to get it burned up. So we're just taking our time, little piles at a time, until we get it burned up. It's a lot of work, but just got to do it, take our time, and we'll get it done sooner or later. So that's my job for today, burning this old building up, the old camper. All right, it's a matter of time. Things are coming together pretty good. I got a couple friends here taking the metal away, and they went to go get a trailer, so all I'm doing is just pulling the wood off and burning it as we go. And I think we should be able to have this cleaned up today. Hopefully we'll have it cleaned up today, and then we'll rake out them ash and take a magnet over it and get all the nails and stuff out of there and throw them in a bucket, and they can take them too. Should be able to get it cleaned up really nice. Alright, somebody came and got the camper, which was pretty cool. They took all the metal. They're going to come back, and I got a couple more sheets of aluminum. I'm just going to let them go ahead and take all that for taking the camper. That was a good deal. So all I got to do is finish picking up everything on the ground over there, which there's not much. It's a little bit, some concrete block over there. I'll clean up some of them, and we'll pick through it and get it burnt. It sure looks better than having a camper sitting there, that's for sure. Old junky one. I'll be over in a little bit. Okay, camper's gone. Little pile of ash there. Everything's gone. It looks good. And I'm telling you, what a relief to get rid of that one. So now all we got is that one. We gotta get rid of that one next. But it is nice to see that one out of there. Looks good.